Good evening, everyone. My name is Brett Huff, and I'm proud to say that I'm from Pelzer, South Carolina. I'm currently a student in the welding program here, and I'm honored to share a little bit about myself and how this scholarship has made a real difference in my journey. Growing up in Pelzer, I was always drawn to working with my hands. I like building things, fixing things, and seeing the results of hard work at the end of the day. Welding caught my attention because it's more than just a trade. It's a skill that creates the backbone of so many industries. From bridges and pipelines to cars and buildings, welders literally hold the world together. That sense of purpose and the opportunity to have a stable, respected career is what led me to choose welding as my field of study. Like many students though, taking this path hasn't been without challenges. School requires not only time and effort, but also financial support. That's why this scholarship has been so important to me. It's allowed me to focus more on my training and less on worrying about how I'd cover my expenses. It's helped me buy the tools, materials, and supplies I need, and it's given me the peace of mind to keep showing up every day ready to learn and improve without having to worry about how I'm going to pay for it. I can already see how welding is shaping my future. Each day in the booth brings me closer to becoming the kind of professional I want to be, skilled, dependable, and proud of my work. And none of that would have been possible without the generosity of all you donors who believe in students like me and provide to wish them an opportunity like me. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you. Thank you for investing in my education. Thank you for believing in the next generation of welders. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to pursue my goals. Your support isn't just helping me today, it's building a foundation for my future and for the communities I'll one day serve as a welder. Thank you.